Hello friends, this video we are going to see about forward reverse started control wiring. In previous lesson we are seen that control drawing. This lesson we are going to see control wiring, how to control wiring a forward reverse starter. If you don't watch my previous video, link on the description, please watch it. Let's begin. I have given here what are the components are using, and first of all I explained to contactor. It has three set of terminals. First one is contactor coil terminal, and means that no volt coil supply A1 A2. The next one is power terminal. This one is three phase. This area we are going to connect that to three phase RYB. The next one is auxiliary contact block. This contactor has four auxiliary contacts, two NO and two NCs. What are the terminal details I given here? Please notice that. Next one is overload relay. This overload relay has current adjustment, test, push button, reset, and it has two set of auxiliary contact NC and NO. This one is used for overload tripping. If the motor got overload, this one trip automatically. The next one is push buttons. This push button, on push button and off push buttons, and we are using both push buttons. Let's start the control wiring. Initially I have arranged here what are the components required. Contactor 2 numbers, push buttons forward reverse each one, and off push buttons overload relay. Let's start connection with the help of previous lessons control diagram. First we need to give phase to overload relay auxiliary contact NC, the terminal number 95. Notice that diagram, follow the diagram also. The NC second terminal need to give to off push button first terminal. The diagram also same. Please follow the diagram also. The off push button second terminal gives to forward push button first terminal. The next, the forward the same line loop to reverse push button first terminal. The same line give loop to next forward push buttons terminal number 2 to reverse conductor auxiliary contact NC. This is the main part of this control wiring. This connection is called interlock. First we need to give to forward push button second terminal to reverse conductor NC, the auxiliary contact NC. The second terminal of NC directly give to forward conductor coil supply A1. Next, going to give reverse conductor interlock. This reverse conductor reverse push button and second terminal directly connection give to forward conductor auxiliary contact NC first terminal. Then the auxiliary contact second terminal going to reverse conductor coil supply A1. Now both interlock is finished. Now we start the hold on circuits. First we need to give forward conductor forward push button hold on. This conductor coil terminal directly give to auxiliary contact NO first terminal. Then the second terminal of NO directly give to forward push button first terminal where the main phase is connected. Now forward hold on finished. Next we going to connect the reverse hold on, that blue line, slight blue line, the A1 directly through that auxiliary contact NO. The next line of the next terminal of NO directly connected to the reverse push button where the main phase is connected. Now the drawing is almost finished. The next step is we are going to connect a neutral line. Neutral line is simple. Neutral line is always connected the conductor terminal coil supply terminal A2. Then the same A2 loop that reverse conductor A2. So friends, this control wiring finished. Hope you understood. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is very useful to you, please share to your friends and through Facebook and WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all.